What is Leenders? Right. Leenders is a wood stove manufacturer in the Netherlands. We are a modest and small company with around 25 people. We build around 2,000 stoves a year. My name is Bart Leenders. I am the owner of the company, and my function here is product development, meaning that all products are designed by me together with my colleagues, and I'm more or less the idea man. We build wood burning stoves, and what drives me is the wood fire and the knowledge that we, as people, Homo sapiens, are the only ones on this planet who are capable of making a fire, and this is our job, and that's amazing. My parents started the company in 1979. My father and my mother together. My father as a product designer and my mother as the businesswoman. And I took over the business about 27 years ago. Who we mainly work for are the retailers. We have approximately 175 retailers in the before mentioned markets. So that's the Benelux, France, Germany, Switzerland recently, and Austria. And for them we build our products, and they then sell to the end customers. We were looking for a way to transfer the ideas from our head onto 3D presentations on the screen. And for this, SOLIDWORKS is like clay. It's perfect. Like taking clay, literally, and from there molding it into the shape you're looking for. Or the other way around, use this existing combustion chamber, have it on screen, then transfer it to a drawing that I can hand draw on, and from there start engineering. So this freedom of creativity is very beneficial for us. So apart from SOLIDWORKS, we also use Composer, and we use Composer for communicating with customers, making sure that they order the right service parts, or making user manuals, making installation manuals. So the first time we thought we needed Composer was the moment I was presented with Composer. And that's one of those, I don't know if you call it pre-investment, but we just bought it because this would be something that we could use very well in the future, and it is. When the customer needs a spare part, you don't want him or her to explain which part they need on the phone. So we have a service website where they can order service parts, and Composer helps us to communicate in a very clear way. Because you have to realize that most of our customers are not technicians. We are all technicians, and so it's easy for us to make the mistake, but if we understand this drawing, everybody will understand this drawing. That's not the case, and so Composer helps us in this. I mean, if a 4-year-old child understands a Composer drawing while building a Lego set, then most of our customers understand a Composer drawing from our products. My dreams are to sell 300 lobbes a year, to find 300 families a year that we can make very happy with a lobbe.